video, and today we will learn about how to create sheets with Dynamo. Okay, so we'll simply type out the node which is sheet by name and title block. This one. In this particular node, the first thing which it is asking is the sheet name. So for sheet name, we actually need to create a sequence from A0, A100 or whatever the sequence is. Okay, so for sequence, we'll type out the sequence node. Starting amount would be the, let's say, number, and the starting amount would be 101. Because we already have level 1, which would be 100, so we'll start with 101. The amount would be the same, which is actually for the levels, and the step would be 1. Okay, so it will automatically create sheets from A0 101. If you want to put the A on top of it, in front of it as a suffix, so what we can do, we can simply put addition node like this. We'll put string for A and this sequence value for Y, and we'll connect it with the sheet name. Sorry, sheet number. Okay. For sheet name, it would be floor, plan, and whatever the level is. Okay. So we are already getting the level's name from this one, from this addition node in the last video. So now this time we will use again this addition node. Okay. And we'll use string which is floor plan for X, and for Y we'll use the addition tool which is used for the levels, and we connect it with this one. For title block family, we'll use family type, and we'll select whatever the title block which is loaded in the family, this one. And for view, we'll select the views which we have created. We need to put that note again. Floor plan by level, this node. Okay, now if I put it to automatic and let's increase. Okay, first of all, I need to connect the views as well, like this. And now if we make this integer slider run, then what will happen? The floor plans, the levels are created, the floor plans are created, and simultaneously the sheets are being created. And also the views are being put on each of the sheets like this. So if I click on this, as you can see, the level 2 plan has been put on this particular sheet. If I open this, it has level 3 plan. If I open level 5, it would have level 5. If I open level 18, it would have level 18.